prosecutors are expected to rest their case in the eye drops homicide trial tomorrow. Today, financial and phone records were the focus. Bill Miston explains the defense got its first chance to cross-examine the state's financial records in the case. Bill joins us live now with the latest.
Hey there, Steph. Prosecutors say Jessy Kurczewski stole tens of thousands of dollars from Lynn Hernon over a period of several years, and that Kurczewski poisoned Hernon in October 2018 with eye drops, killing her as Hernon's bank accounts were nearly tapped out.
To your knowledge, Lynn filled that loan application out herself?
As far as I know, yes.
After more than 7 hours on the witness stand Wednesday, a Waukesha County detective was back on it to hear questions from Kurczewski's defense.
That loan was denied, true?
I don't know if I was ever able to determine if it was necessarily denied.
Bank records show a person applied for a loan in early 2018 as Hernon's bank accounts dwindled.
Fair to say that in those 2.5 years, Lynn had one way or another used approximately half of the total balance of her accounts?
Fair to say yes, that money is no longer in those accounts.
A $30,000 Goldman Sachs loan was applied for in Lynn Hernon's name around the same time.
I believe, based upon the statements and the investigation, that Lynn did not apply for that loan.
Kurczewski's defense tried to point that thousands of dollars in cash couldn't be tracked and can't be contributed to Kurczewski nor Hernon, and that police didn't follow up on possible cash payments by Kurczewski from checks made out to her from Lynn Hernon's account.
Something you did not attempt to follow up on to determine, correct?
That's correct.
Did you come to some opinion about what was going on with these financial accounts?
Yes.
And what was that?
That these accounts were being used by Jessy Kurczewski.
On redirect, prosecutors pointed to a loan application.
When Attorney Navreski asked you, I think he said, based on this document, does it appear Lynn Hernon filled out this application, correct?
Correct.
I want to ask you, based on your entire investigation, do you have any reason to doubt Lynn Hernon made this application?
There is reason to doubt.
Noting Kurczewski has a history of forging documents to obtain loans, and that regardless of how much money Hernon had or didn't have, can still be theft.
What did those changes mean to you in your investigation?
The changes meant that Lynn wasn't using these accounts.
Now, a different detective, the lead detective on the case, Aaron Hoppy, was on the stand as the testimony ended for the day, and he will be back on the stand in the morning as the state expects to wrap up its case. Reporting live in Waukesha, Bill Miston, Fox 6 News.
Close to the halfway point of this. All right, Bill, thanks.